So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do with Qwen is also generate out videos. So let's say, for example, if I want to go ahead and generate video, I need to click on video generation right here. And what you can do is simply type a prompt. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say let's say, for example, broccoli man. Let's say, for example, right here, running across a mountain top with a cell phone right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, I can even select the aspect ratio of the video. Let me just leave it at 16:9 and then hit the send button right here. So once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. It actually goes ahead and starts creating the video, but you do need to go ahead and wait for a while because video generation does take a bit of time. And now you can see that the video is generated after waiting for a while. So you do need to wait for a while. I actually skipped the part of the video when we had to wait. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that there's this broccoli man right here with a mobile phone walking on top of mountain right here, just like this. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then generate out videos as you like, as you can see, using Qwen easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.